guys, this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So for today's video, we are back with another episode of my Dugga Dugga series, and today is the 4th episode, which means today we are going to do Navami makeup look. And for Navami's makeup look, I have chosen to wear a salwar kameez. You cannot see the whole salwar kameez, but yeah, this is how it looks. It's of black and a cream base one with some silver work on the hands and also here on my chest or my neck part, whatever you may call it. So let's move on to the video and let's do the makeup, and while we are doing the makeup we will talk a little bit more. So first thing I want to know is how are you liking this series, because I am enjoying my fullest for doing this series and I hope all of you are liking it as well. And if you are doing, then don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't yet, and also subscribe to my channel and ring the bell because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. So yeah, that is being said, let's move on. The first step I'm going to do is using my concealer. Yeah, I am not going to use a primer, I'm not going to use a foundation today because I just don't feel like. I'm just going to put some concealer under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, only the places where I want to conceal or want to highlight a little bit, and that is it. I'm not going to put a lot of makeup or a lot of base on my face. So base on my face, that's nice. So yeah, let's first do the concealer. By the way, my face is clean and I have moisturized after toning. And also if you're going out in the afternoon or in the morning, then don't forget your sunscreen at least 15 to 20 minutes before you are doing your makeup, so that it doesn't budge your makeup. So let's start with the makeup now. And for my concealer today, I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. It is from the brand Too Faced. Too Faced is now available on Nykaa. I don't know if it is available in Sephora, but yeah, on Nykaa it is surely available. And by the way, I'm in the shade Sand, if you're curious to know. And as I always tell you, that you don't have to use all the products that I'm showing. You don't have to love all the products that I am loving. You can use whatever you have or whatever you like or love. I just use what I love. But again, if you want to try these products out, then I will be linking them in the description box below. By the way, this is a beautiful concealer, and if you can see how huge the doe foot applicator is, it makes your task a lot easy. You don't have to put the brush again and again inside the concealer to take it out. So let's just blend. As I told you, I'm just going to highlight the portions that I want. I don't want anything crazy this time. And I have shown you already how to do base and what I'm going to do if I'm liking the base, because this is what I have planned of doing. I don't know exactly if I'm going to do the same thing. Maybe I'll do the Shoptami look on my Navami, or I'll do the Doshami look on my Shoshti. Like, I haven't planned like that, like I haven't fixed like that, but yeah, those are going to be similar, at least for my eyes and full face. That is going to be similar. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to, as you can see, I'm blending my, my face, not under my eyes, my forehead and my nose and my chin first, because I'm giving it this concealer a little bit time to set under my eyes, and you see how full coverage this foundation is. It just, concealed everything that I've had on my forehead. Although I did not need so much of coverage, but that's fine. Now let's blend under my eyes, and I cannot find my mirror. Where is it? Here it is. Set this concealer because I don't want it to crease or to budge. Although it doesn't, it totally gets matte, but for a little bit of extra care, I'm going to take the Coty Airspun loose face powder and I'm going to set the under eyes. You don't get it in India till now, but you can get it from Beauty Horizon, from where I get all my international brands makeup. I will link them down in the description box. It's an Instagram page, also they have a website now. And they are super cool, they keep a lot of international makeup. I haven't used a lot of makeup on my full face, so I'm not going to set a lot. While I will be dusting these powders, I'll set the whole face with this powder itself. Now let's move on to my eyes, and for my eyes, the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes, and for that I'm using Pro Longwear Paint Pot from MAC. It is in the shade Laying Low. It is a flesh tint kind of a color, and I'm gonna take the primer on my hand. And I'm gonna prime my eyes nicely. And by the way, my eyebrows were already done off camera before I started the video, so I've primed my eyes. Now I'm going to move towards my eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow I'm going to use the LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and it is in the shade Nude. And this is a very nice palette. I have used this in the past and I cannot open it for some reason. I did. And let's just move on towards our base color first. I'm going to take this color and I'm going to lay this on my eyes. It's nothing crazy. The simple eye look that I always prefer, the warm eye look I always go for. I'm going to lay this color all over my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it nicely. This is a very nice palette. I'll tell you, if you are just starting off with your makeup, you can get this palette, this one or the Roses in the Air palette from Wet n Wild. These two palettes are best for the starters, I'll tell you. Even I'm going to do a beginner's makeup kit in the future. A lot of people have asked me to, a lot of people have requested me. So I'll be including a lot more in that other than eyeshadows. But a bonus thing for this video, if you don't go for crazy eye looks and if you like subtle and something that you can use every day, also you can use that on your party days, then this is the one, because you will see that there are some dark colors and also very nice shimmers and also highlights which you can use. If you want to amp up your eye game once in a while, you can do that with this palette. So highly recommend this one. Next I'm going to take this shade. It's a beautiful wine kind of a brown shade. I don't know if that makes any sense. And I'm going to first place this color on my lids, on my crease, and then I'm going to blend it. This eye look is not going to be too crazy, as I told you. Now that I have darkened my crease a little, and I'm going to take the liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Poker Face. This is the Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Metallic Liquid Lipstick, but you can use it on your eyes as well. And I'm going to put it on my eyes very softly, very lightly. Just because it is a liquid lipstick, it will take a little time to dry, so be patient and work with it. It is a fantastic product. It just smells very nice. Also, I love this shade particularly because it gives a subtle shine. It is not over the top. Very subtle shine. Now that I've placed it, I'm going to blend it a little, so that there are no harsh edges or creases. You see, there is a very subtle shine and nothing too crazy, and I exactly wanted this. Now I'm going to get back to this brush. I'm going to take the crease color once again and I'm going to blend it right where the edges are finished. foundation. Now I'm going to dust off the baking under my eyes. This powder makes my under eyes so flawless, I swear. This is also very inexpensive. Like, it will be around 650 or 750 if we convert the dollar thing. Plus the shipping, because we don't get it in India, but once we start getting it, it is going to be everybody's favorite, trust me. So yeah, now I'm going to do the lower lashes, and for my lower lashes I'm going to take the big brush. I'm going to take the lighter color and gently put it under my lower eyelids, very softly. Just want to brush it. And now I'm going to take the smaller blending brush and I'm going to take this color. And I'm going to darken the outer edges. जेरकम मैं रोज करी जैसे मैं रोज करती हूँ. Lighter on the inside, darker on the outside. आज भी सेम वैसे. Now I will be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bones. But before that, I'm going to use a little bit of contour on my face. For that, I'm going to use the Isadora bronzing powder. This is the one. You have seen this on my top 5 favorites. Although I haven't used a lot of foundation and powder, so I won't be bronzing too much, but very little. If you don't want to, you might just skip bronzing, blushing. Do whatever you feel like, as I always say. For blush, I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush. This is the one. And I'm going to use it gently, not too much, or maybe a little bit much. For highlighter, I'm going to use ColourPop's Flexitarian highlighter. This is a Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlighter. This is the one, and it's very beautiful, very soft, and very pigmented. You see how pigmented that is? Now let's highlight the brow bone and also my inner corners. Now I'm gonna do my waterline. Like I'm gonna use a very champagne colored eyeliner on my waterline. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. This is in the shade Soft Nude. And I'm gonna tightline my lower waterline with this. And now I'm going to curl my lashes. Put on some mascara and then falsies. Before that, I can just spray some MAC Fix Plus so that by the time I'm doing my lashes, my face will, you know, get dry. One of the best settings available in India, MAC Fix Plus. So yeah, let's go. For my mascara today, I'm going to use L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. One of my favorite mascara to use. And by the way, I'm going to add some false lashes, so I'll be right back after doing my lashes and also my mascara together. So So yes guys, as you can see that I have done my mascaras and I have put on some lashes, and for my lashes I have used Nykaa Lash Talk Turn Up the Drama. The shade is Turn Up the Drama. It is a beautiful lash. All the lashes from Nykaa are beautiful and they mesh with your original lashes so well that it doesn't feel like that you are wearing a falsie, and also they are very lightweight and they are not at all heavy. So I love them. Also they give their lash glue with the lash, but I haven't tried it yet. I'll be trying it out and I'll let you know in some other video how this works, because I don't know if these will work. But I use Miss Claire's eyelash glue if you are wondering. So yeah, now that it is nearly complete and I am just going to do my lips, and for my lips today I'm going to use Nykaa's Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick. This is the shade Dream On. It is a beautiful brown shade, like a nude one but a darker nude. Now let's after Matte to Last liquid lipstick, this is one of my favorite lipstick to use from Nykaa's ranges of lipstick. This color is so beautiful. I love this one. Like after Hot Latte, this is my favorite nude color. It is very similar actually, and I'll say that if not better, then this is pretty similar. So yeah, this is what I wanted to do for today's makeup, and I'm just gonna add some earrings. So yes guys, that was it for my Navami makeup look. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, I did add my lenses at the end, but do not wear your lenses after you have done your makeup. This is a simple no-no. I did it for the sake of the video because I forgot, and I really wanted to show how this makeup looks with my lenses on. So I will recommend you, if you are wearing your lenses, then wear it before you are starting your makeup, and don't do this what I have done. Other than that, if you want to do anything, then the video is for you. The video is here, and also I will be listing everything down in the description box if you want to check any product out. Otherwise, if you want to use your own products, then that is well and good. You do you. So yeah, with this, we are just left with one more video of this series, and that will be up tomorrow at the same time, 6:30 PM in the evening. And I hope that you liked this video. You liked this makeup look, because this is not too glam, also not too subtle. That has been said, I will leave this video right over here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.